Couples counseling versus individual coaching. So let me give you my 2 cents on couples work. A lot of couples counseling, coaching, therapy is not very good, I'm sorry to say. And for many people, it's sort of the last stop. It's like the last chance to save the marriage. And I need you to know this, that most of the work that needs to be done in a relationship is individual work. Both of you have co-created this relationship, and both of you need to learn what you've been doing, why you've been doing it, and learn to change the bad behaviors, the bad thought processes. But you're not going to get that from couples coaching or couples counseling. Maybe a little bit, but your work has to be done individually. And so when I work with men who are doing couples work with their partners, we're doing their work so that they can show up well in the couples work to make sure that they say what they really want to say, and also to know what not to say, because couples coaching and couples counseling is not, despite what you may be told, a safe place to say anything that's on your mind. It simply is not. And I think most men intuitively know that. There are some things that you may need to work out, that you might need to speak to get clarity on. But if you say some of those things to your wife, she may never forget them. So it's really important to do your individual work, right? And then you can really be in a place to make the couple's work productive.